Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back. Today we are going to be trying out that new TikTok hack that I've been seeing going around, where they are trying to achieve a cut crease, cut down the time with an eyelash curler. I don't even use one anymore, so I had to go purchase one. So if this works, it works. But one thing I will say is that you will not see me trying out and doing none of these hacks on clients. Like, that's not an option. Like, these hacks are cute for me, but I would not do nothing in a professional setting where I would try to use this as a hack. Like, that's not gonna work. But I would definitely use it on my own personal time. As you can see here, I had to correct it because for one eye, you'll see I have my eye closed. The other one, I had it open. Well, you didn't see this one because I went and corrected it, but I have an eye open for this one and it corrected. So I had to go back in and fix this one. So this one may be a little off because I figured out what worked and what didn't work. So that's what you'll see here in this video. So if you want to see how I achieve this look using the eyelash curler, then just continue to watch. So guys, I had to go purchase me an eyelash curler because I no longer have one anymore. I went through one of my little makeup cleaners a long time ago and I threw it away because I never really used it. But for this trend, I had to go out and actually purchase one. So I got the Revlon eyelash curler. It came with an extra curler. I mean, I guess if this one goes out of whack, we have a backup one. So, I mean, I have not, oh my gosh, y'all. I don't even know. Ooh. First of all, if that's my lash, like they dirty. Oh, probably from the makeup. I'm like, ain't no way my eyes are dirty. Duh, I just did my eyes. Okay, so basically the trend I see going on is that you put concealer around the curl part and then you just, which makes sense though. Like if it do right, we're gonna do right. Okay, let's try it. So to cut this, I'm going in with my P. Louise base and it's number 4 and we are just going to coat it. I don't know how they want it. Put a little dot on here. And then I'm gonna use my Morphe 213 brush. And I'm just gonna get that off of there. And we're just gonna coat it. We're just gonna coat it. Coat it, coat it, coat it, coat it, coat it. Okay, I don't want it to be like too much because then when it's too much, I don't know how it's gonna work. Okay, y'all ready? Okay. It's not even that serious, but this will cut some cut crease time in half. But like, I cannot see myself. I'll just decide, like, even though this may cut down time, I could not see myself with a client sitting here doing that. Like, you know, like that's just something I ain't gonna be doing. Like, even though this may cut time for self, I could never see myself doing that on a client. So. Okay, do I need to like tilt my head some? Do I need to close my eye? Okay, well, calm down, calm down. First of all, that's too freaking high. Too high. We're gonna have to fix this. Wow. I think it's because I cut my eyes closed. Anywho, let's just fill in the brown. First of all, we gotta go to this part because we're not gonna start the cut that high. Bruh, what kind of cut is this? It's too high for me. Yeah, look how hot it is. Oh my goodness, we're gonna have to clean this up. For real, for real. This could work, but I think I went too high. I sure did. You can see normally I would probably curve it right there. Now we high with it. All right. I'm gonna have to go off camera and try to fix this, guys. It's just really too high for me. Like, my normal cut crease is not what I would be doing. Let's try. Yeah, this is really, it had potential and I could see it, but now I'm gonna have to try to finesse this because I really don't want to take this whole eye off. Yeah, give me a second, guys. We're gonna come back and see what we can do. See what we done did, concoction that we have came up with, because at this point, it's not it. Okay, y'all, did it work or did it work? Okay, so it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. Like, definitely a thumbs up for something that's cutting time for yourself when you're trying to achieve a cute cut crease, but you're limited on time. I would definitely advise anyone to do that, but again, as I said in the video, in the intro, like, I would never use this on a client. Like, it's just not, like, it is not professional. But I would definitely advise anyone for yourself, personal reference, like, do it. Like, I just wouldn't think it'd be professional if I'm sitting here at a, like, if I go get my work done and I use an eyebrow color on my, like, I don't know if I would be okay with that. I'd be like, whoa. But I mean, if it come out looking like this, then maybe I will be okay. I don't know, y'all. So it's just to each his own. Whatever you feel like you're comfortable with, do it. But if you like this tutorial, just a quick tutorial on some TikTok hats, definitely give this video a thumbs up if you want me to try some more. And if you like it and made this far, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys are not missing any uploads when I'm posting videos weekly for you guys. And as always, guys, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.